Boom, what's up, folks? Welcome
Welcome,
aboard
everyone.
officially.
Super freaking stoked to have you here. We have been working on this for quite some time behind the scenes, and finally we're rolling it out. And we are super pumped to have you be one of the first people to be here with us.
Exactly. And congratulations on grabbing the first spots. If you're seeing this video, you're one of the first members. Like, this is really, I was telling him this off record before we started recording. This literally, we have invested tens of thousands of dollars, literally, spent years working full time online, building different business, different models. Like we did it in different ways, different offers, coaching courses, affiliate stuff, crossed over $500,000, and all of that, and all the trial and error, and every fail, and of course every win, we've compressed. Basically, we're going to share in this community. And I was telling him this before we started recording. It brings I started laughing when I'm supposed to say how much the community is, how much it costs per month, comparing to what we're going to include here, all the user experience and all the know-how and everything. I mean, it's just nuts. So congrats again.
Yeah, congrats and thank you. And to his point, maybe it's funny to us because we both, and I assume a lot of you watching here, we are mostly in the like high ticket space. So we got used to sell like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 things, and then it's like $37. Yeah, it's funny, but I can assure you, like, the value that you're gonna get out of this, as long as you like obviously show up, is gonna like far exceed not 37, but much more. So
Many high ticket stuff.
yeah, but honestly, it's not because it's ours, maybe a bit, but yeah, we honestly truly believe that, and actually we'll let you be like the judge as you go through everything, as we enroll it.
Absolutely. So welcome aboard. Just wanted to record a quick video for you to welcome you to this brand new community, high value, and hope you enjoyed the time with us.
And don't forget, check out the next 2 or 3 videos to really see like how you can best use the community, what are we gonna enroll first, like what will we roll out actually first, and other things. So make sure you check those as well.
Awesome. Enjoy.
See ya then.